Okay, so another new feature that we have with our new Simrad operating system is we have a way to do a custom palette. So if we come into here, again, drop down with our app menu. We come down to the bottom here, we hit plus. This gives us a custom palette. So this allows us to change up some of the imaging or some of the returns that we get from our Sonar. So if we want to make this a little bit darker with some of these returns, I can use this color wheel to change up some of the colors. And I can also adjust them to come in at whatever depth or color presentation that you might like. Really cool feature when you're trying to define some return echoes that may not be in a palette that we have here in a default manner that we have already set up. So again, that's a new feature on the new Simrad operating system.